guys, eto makikipitas kami ng ampalaya ni Rodney. Ayan, tignan niyo po yung kanyang ampalaya, grabe. Ala, ang dami. Ang dami guys, oh. Oh my. Oh my God. Gusto ko mangitas pero alin ba dyan ang pwede nang pitasin? Ito na lang mahaba. Wow! Laki na lalagyan ko, oh. Ala, I don't know what to pick. Do you think they're okay?
Yes.
And look at this. This is a giant okra. Oh, this is a giant okra. Oh my God. Rodney, where did you get this? Look. Ganyan kalaki, oh. Isang palad. Oh my God, ang laki ng okra mo, Rodney. Oh my God. Mira! Kuya! Patawa si Kuya.
I stop.